Without hamper, no answers.
I'll leave that to Meg. But I'm just going to ask the questions and you all could pick the winners if you want. So are you all ready?
Yes. See, Atiti Devo Baba. Already give it to him.
No, like one after the other, okay? I'm not giving you that much time to think.
Okay.
Okay. So
Then
who
I have
wants
a
to take
problem.
Who wants to take it first? Okay, Zahan. Your favorite role so far, as in a character that you've played?
Black Warrant.
Sanju as Geeta.
Sanju as Geeta. That says it all. Zahan, your dream role, which is a character you wish you'd played?
In the past, like, as in,
Any, like in, like films that which have come out in the past, is there any character that you wish you'd played? Since we are talking mainly about
gosh,
the role.
I want to be an animated character.
Which one?
Princess Mononoke.
I don't know, I can't think of any.
Really?
No, I really can't think of anything, yeah.
No, I think we should put her on the spot. What do you think, guys?
I'm already on the spot, literally.
You're not going to get the hamper now, Ramya. Come on, quickly. If you could do a biopic.
I really liked Demi Moore's role in The Substance, but I don't think I would be able to do that.
Okay. Thanks for answering that though. Zahan, if you could do a biopic, what would it be?
I go blank. I don't know how to answer these questions sometimes. If I had to do biopic, I almost got. I got selected. I did an audition and I got it. The thumbs up, green light, everything, and then the project fell apart. And this was 2021. I was almost going to do a mini series on Bhagat Singh. So that would have been a very interesting biopic to do, but now it didn't happen. So one of those things, Then my director released the audition on YouTube, hoping that somebody would fund it. It didn't work.
Is it still there?
It's still there. Bharat Bala is the director.
Okay, we'll look for it.
Yeah, he's on, what's it called? Virtual Bharat, his YouTube channel.
This you can
Maybe
answer.
Kittu Rani Channamano. Yeah, I think her role.
A film needs to be made on her.
Yeah,
You
seriously.
should tell her, brief something on her to Zahan, I think,
I'll
educating
tell
on our
you.
Karnataka
Yeah, I'll tell you.
history. Which mythological character would you like to play on screen?
So many. I am very partial to the Shiv Puran and all those stories, but I love mythology. And there's so many interesting characters. In fact, I read so much of late also. So I don't know. So many. Even Krishna, of course. I mean,
Krishna.
of course, so many stories. Which version of him? He's so mischievous and fun.
You make a good Krishna, no guys?
But there are so many. There are so many little characters all across.
But you would pick Krishna and Shiva. Yeah? Ramya?
I mean, they're the big ones, that we think about.
I don't know, I can only think of Draupadi and Sita and. Who? Oh, Padmavati. Correct. Yeah, but okay, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. A masala masi film or an artsy realistic one?
Dying to do a masala masi film. I want, yeah. Really.
Opposite.
Opposite.
I've done only those.
Okay, so both of you come from a multidisciplinary background and dabbled in different aspects of filmmaking. Which do you enjoy the best? Because I don't think it necessarily has to be acting. So which, like production, acting, writing, which aspect do you enjoy the best?
Currently, I genuinely enjoy writing, but I have to say I love editing. I hate the drudgery of it at times, but when it's creative, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy editing. I like the craft of editing. I think it's very interesting how you create meaning and rhythm and energy around shots.
I wasn't expecting editing.
Yeah.
So editing is, it's interesting actually. The three pillars of the process, right? Writing is blank canvas stuff and it's complete imagination. Acting is this very a subjective, embodied way of interpreting a story and jumping in with your being. And editing is this kind of, so as in it's blank canvas, this is the material you have, and now you you can play within that boundary, but you can create a lot of things. So it's these three pillars that are in three different aspects of the process.
Ramya?
Being in front of the camera, that's like my happy place.
That's
Yeah.
where your fans also love to see you.
Yeah.
Everyone's waiting for your comeback.
Yeah.
Commercial success or critical acclaim? And you're not allowed to say both. If you're like, just pick one. Commercial success or critical acclaim?
I think commercial success. It's all about the money.
Yeah, I think commercial success is also because I feel it, the resonance, like the idea of you're able to touch and connect with so many. I appreciate that.
Okay, so commercial success.
Yeah.
Okay. If you see a fabulous, strong character in a weak script, would you still go ahead and take the role? Yes or no? No?
I don't know how you can have a fabulous character in a weak script.
sometimes
Because
yeah,
it
it
won't
can
work out,
happen.
no?
But yeah, the
It's hard
character-
for me to say that only because again I want the story means more to me than just the character.
Mm.
A character in a weak script, it's not going to work. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, Zahan, this one is for you. Your favorite Kapoor actor?
Act. Prithviraj Kapoor.
Good answer. And your favorite Kapoor film?
Maybe Aag.
Ah,
My favorite Kapoor actor?
oh, you also want to take?
Ah.
I think that deserves a round of applause. Many of us today would agree with Ramya's answer. But Ramya, I have two quick questions for you. One is your all-time favorite Kannada film, not of course necessarily one of yours, and your all-time favorite character in a Kannada film.
Okay. I love Titi. I love Gantu Mote. And I also like this film called Hadnedu Hadnentu. Then I liked Achar and Co. Yeah. I also like Sapta Sagra Dachiyalo. First part. I really liked. Yeah. I gave you 4.
Okay. Hope you all took notes. And your
They've all watched it.
your favorite character ever in Kannada cinema?
Mine? No.
Not your own.
Not my
Not
own.
your own.
I don't know, I can't think of anything right now. No, yeah, nothing that comes to mind. I liked the character of, I forget the actor's name, in Gantu Mote. I really liked
Does
it.
anyone know?
Yeah, I think she was phenomenal.
Okay.
So subtle, but how beautifully she expressed in the film. Yeah.
Okay. So on that regional pride note, I think it's like a good way to wind up. Of course, we have our guest from Bombay. But before we end this, I'd like to once again thank you all for being a lovely audience. I love that there was so much silence and interactivity.
No questions from them?
Yeah, and ask if you've got any questions. Can someone please?
Very good evening, madam. My first one is to...
Beda.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, my first question is probably for everybody I need to address Amitabh Bachchan's first beyond Hindi movies Amrutadare, that is with Ramya, and Ramya is the first Kannada lead actress to share screen space with Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, that's
And same way for Prithviraj Kapoor, your great grandfather, his beyond Hindi movies Kannada in 1970s Sakshatkara with legendary Dr. Rajkumar.
Oh,
That's amazing.
And Ramya, you can share your moments with Amitabh Bachchan working. This is my question. Thank you.
Okay. I was super excited, but I was also extremely nervous because I was shooting with Mr. Bachchan, of course. And when I went on the sets, and I think he kind of realized I was really nervous, so he sat me down, and then I think he tried to make me kind of like ease me up. He said, I know palmistry, I can read your palm and things like that. So he took my palm and he said 3 things. He said, you're very misunderstood. I said, yes. And he said, sometimes you have stomach problems. I said, yes. And then the third thing, he said something I don't remember. And I was like, oh my God, how do you know? But he's like, but this is what I mean, it's common with everybody, right? And so he would use this in college when he wanted to like, yeah. But then, you know, just him humoring me and then just kind of like give me that comfort. Just, I thought that was really nice of him. He didn't have to do it. And I think that's his humility, and therefore he is Mr. Bachchan. And then after that, it was just very easy. Yeah. That was my experience working with him.
That was an interesting question and a lovely answer.
For Zahan, please.